beautiful text in Construct 3. Okay guys, let's add our sprite font. As you can see, this is the default sprite font of C3, and when you choose your own, it needs to have the correct spacing and sizes for the characters. And because it's hard to set them and add them in C3, we're gonna use a program for generating our sprite font, and then we're gonna use Photoshop for making it better look. Okay, so for now, let's just open the first program, Give Your Fonts Mono by Black Hornet, and let's just open it. This part shows the character set we're gonna create here as image, and this part is the test area. You can type everything and click on refresh and look how it looks. Okay, and I'm gonna go in fonts and search for Fredoka. This is my favorite font. Leave it for 72, and let's just set the borders or around the spacing to 10, 10, 10, and 10. Okay, and I did it because I need to go in Photoshop and add this, add outline, border, stroke, and shadow to my text. Okay, so now let's just go and save this in the directory we have in the assets F, and let's go and save it. Okay, alright, we have it in this folder. This is the generated sprite font as image, and this one helps us for setting the spacing of characters. Okay, so let's go in here and edit, open the file. In here, as you can see, at the end of the file name we have 92 by 97, which is the character size. Okay, and we're gonna put these numbers here. Okay, 92 by 97, character set is okay, and we're gonna use spacing data for making this spacing correct. So let's go in here from the beginning to the end, select it and copy it, and paste it in here, and the spacing is okay for now. So this is just a simple sprite font, and we're gonna go in Photoshop and making it better. Okay, so let's select a new a color, a good color. Let's say, for example, this color, and a shadow first. I'm gonna zoom in, and I'm gonna make the opacity higher. All right, and let's go and add stroke. 2 is okay, and let's just make the opacity less. Okay, this is okay, and I'm gonna save this, and I'm gonna go and open it, and it's okay if we set the color to white, which is default, and this is just okay for now. And next thing I need to tell you is a trick that I use in my games, and that's adding icons, for example coin icon, to the sprite font. And the reason is, for example, we have a game like this, and we need to show the users how many coins we have, the number of coins and the icon. And we can go in C3, and we have 2 ways for doing that. First, adding coin sprite and putting next to the sprite font, for example coin icon as a sprite, and then the number of coins we have. Or we can go in here and add the icon and replace it with some of the characters we have. So I'm gonna go and use this character and replace coin icon with this character as my coin. Okay, so let's say we have $100, okay, and it's gonna be coin icon 100. And let's go in Photoshop, open the icon we want, which is coin for this project, and bring it here. I'm gonna just make it smaller and put it in here, okay? And I'm gonna remove the dollar character and let's save it. Yes. Okay, and just edit it. We have dollar icon in here and it's okay, but we need to set the spacing for dollar character more. Okay, so the dollar character and the equal character are having this this number as a spacing. Okay, so we need more space, so I'm gonna make it 70. It's okay, yeah, and it's a bit higher that I want, so I'm gonna go in here, select it and bring it a bit down. Okay, yeah, it's okay. You can change the size, everything you want it, and edit here. So this is my trick, and next thing I need to tell you is a scale effect, a scale animation for when we add coins. And let's just set the vertical and horizontal alignment to center and also origin to center, and I'm gonna put the object in here, and this spacing is a bit higher than we need, so I'm gonna make the character spacing to -10. Now it's better, and also we need to set the number to 75. It's better. You can change it on your own SpriteFont. Okay, so let's go and add a button. This is just for test, for showing you how I add this scale animation to this SpriteFont. Okay, so when I click on this, I need to add to the coins we have with a animation. So I need a variable first, and this one is gonna be coins, and every tick I need to show the score just like this: dollar character ampersand coins variable, and at first it's 0. Okay, and when I click I need to add more. Okay, so let's say unclicked, add to coins 15. Okay, yeah, that's very nice. And let's just add the animation. So the animation needs to have this behavior, tween behavior, for a SpriteFont. And I'm gonna say when I clicked on this button, the SpriteFont needs to have tween value, and the start value is going to be 1, which is a scale 1 or 100%, and the end value is going to be the target of a scale, which is 1.5, for example. And I'm going to set the time to 0.3 and these two out back. And let's say when tag empty is playing, you can set the tag here and also change it here. When tag empty is playing, the SpriteFont needs to set its scale. Okay, so search for scale, set its scale to self.tween.value tag empty, and let's see. Alright, it goes big and it needs to go back, so I'm gonna make it ping pong. Alright, let's test again. And as you can see, when I click several times, at the end looks like this, and this is like a bug. And for fixing it, let's go in here, stop all the tweens, and then start it. Okay, and by doing that we're gonna fix it. Okay, when I click several times, shows like this. Very good. You can go and change every number here and make it better for your sprite fonts. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.